TestNG. So first of all, we will understand that what is TestNG. So what is TestNG? This is a very common question which may ask in the interview. TestNG is a testing framework for Java programming inspired by JUnit and NUnit. It makes test creation, execution, and reporting efficient. So TestNG have a annotations. The different annotations are @before test, @after test, @before method, after method, before suit, after suit, before groups, after groups, before class, after class. So we will do it practically and then we will understand more. So let's go in Eclipse. So here, first of all, you need to download the TestNG. If you want to use TestNG, you need to download it. So for that, you need to go on Google. Just type here, download, how to download TestNG for Eclipse. Okay. So here you can see this guru99.com. Just click here. You will get all the steps as you can see here. So just follow the step. First we need to go in help. So here click on help. Then second is install new software. See, install new software. Then third one is you need to pass this URL. Okay. Once you have passed this URL, click on add button, which is here. Then you will get this box. After when you will click on add, you will get this pop-up. So there you need to give any name. You can it will be good if you will give the name as TestNG. Then click on add and then it will start downloading. And then you need to just click on next, finish. I accept the term of the license agreement and install anyway. Then you can see it will be downloaded, and if you want to check whether it is downloaded or not, just go in Window, Show Views, Other, Java, TestNG. So I have already downloaded it, so I will go in Window, Show View, Other, and then you need to go in Java, and here you can see as I have already downloaded it, it is present here. Okay, TestNG. So once you have downloaded the TestNG, you need to add this in the library. Add the TestNG library in the project. So for that, this is the project. I want to add here TestNG. So just right click here, go on build path, configure build path, click here on the module path. You can see I've already added, so it is present here. But but you need to add this, then only it will come here. So now you need to go in add library, and here you can see the TestNG is there. Just click here next and finish. Okay, so it will come here. Now we will create a class and we will start the program of TestNG. Right click, new class, TestNG demo. Okay, and in the TestNG there will be no public static void main. So here, you need to write before test. In the before test, you need to mention what, when you start a program, first of all, what you do, you need to set the property of Chrome driver. So that will come in the before test. So here create a method public void. Uh, you can give any name to the method like first. So first of all, I will set the property of Chrome driver. So I will just copy from the here. Just a minute. Okay, so I have set the property of Chrome driver, and here I'll just paste this. So you need to give this driver as static, so that when I will write before test, at the rate test, after test, so it will be applicable for all of those. So just copy this. Here you write public static. Just copy this WebDriver driver. Okay. Over here, and you need to import this. Okay, now before test is done, first of all it will set the property of Chrome driver. Now I will write at the rate test. In the at the rate test, what action you need to perform, that you need to mention. So public void second, you can give any name to the method. So second step is, so this was the first step, and my second step will be, for now I will just navigate it to google.com. So for that I will copy the URL. Okay, so here write driver dot get, inside this pass the URL. So this was my action which I need to perform. So just hover here and import this. So till now, before test is done, before first of all I need to set the property of Chrome driver. The second step, what action I need to perform, that will come in at the rate test, and the last will be after test. So again create a method, last step. Okay, so now I want to close the browser. Once it will navigate here, I need to close the browser. So for that I will write driver dot close. Okay, so just hover here and again import this. So I'm done with the program. Now you just need to right click, run as TestNG test. If you will not download the TestNG, this option will not come. Okay, so click here. It will not even maximize as I have not written anything that driver.manage.window.maximize. Okay, so as you can see here, so here you can see it is here you can see it is passed. Second step is passed. Test run 1, failure 0 and skip 0. So in this way you can do the program of TestNG. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe to watch my upcoming videos.